Okay, so I'm part way up, and now we have the next section. Let's see if I can make it holding the camera or not. Okay. It's actually not even that bad. Like, if you can imagine one of these excavators, when they come, they just dig and dig and dig, and it's like nothing to them. And they can turn like a mountain into a molehill without any difficulty in just a few minutes if they want. Getting steep now. View is getting better and better. We actually do at the top have a view of the ocean, which makes the place worth at least 2 million baht more, or maybe even 10 million. Oh, that was close. I don't want to fall again because I fell once and I damaged my arm pretty bad, so I gotta be careful. Oh, there's no shade here. Okay. Wants me to sit down beside him. Look at that. So we're about halfway. Okay, bye for now.